you doing?
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
Hey man, I get DM'd a lot. I don't know, I used to think it was a weird question, but I get asked the question a lot now. What's in my refrigerator? So, I'm about to show y'all what's in my refrigerator. So this is what's in my refrigerator, man. Just some already prepped meals, some V8 energy drinks. I got some Gatorade. There goes some more already prepped meals, chicken and vegetables, water, some Power Zero, Powerade. Got some Bang. I got some cranberry juice. I drink a glass of cranberry juice every day. Egg whites. I got some fruit. Got some more V8 sitting over here. This is a protein shake up in there. Some little spray butter. Some of my, whenever I need a sweet, something sweet, you know, my favorite is peanut M&Ms and Goobers. So I got some of them in there. A few little pieces of candy, and that's it, man. And in my freezer, of course, chicken. Got some veggies. I need to go buy me some more vegetables. Got some potatoes up in here. Got a little ice cream. I want something sweet. That's it, man.
I ain't scared of you motherfuckers.